Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix all basic errors in the Instagram app in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off, then open Instagram again. Step 2. Restart the Instagram app. Close Instagram completely from the recent apps. Wait a few seconds, then open it again. This can fix a small glitch. Step 3. Restart your phone. Turn your phone off. Wait over 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Then try opening Instagram again. Step 4. Update the Instagram. Now open the App Store or Google Play Store. Then search for Instagram and tap update if update is available. Update fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Log out and log back in. Now open Instagram settings in the top right corner with the three lines. Tap on it. Now scroll down to log out. Now tap log out, then sign in again. This refresh your account seasons. And that's how you can fix all basic errors in the Instagram app. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.